Hey guys, this is a basic sauce that is perfect for boiled yam. You can also use it for boiled white rice, boiled potatoes, boiled plantains, and any boilable Nigerian staple. Here are some of the ingredients you will need. Shrimps, sweet peppers, you can also use tatashi, habanero pepper, onion, ugu, or you can use spinach, and white tuna yam. Peel the shrimps like this. You can leave the tail or take it off. Dice the onion, de-seed and cut the tatashi like this. Slice the leafy vegetable. Peel and cut the yam into half moons, and all the ingredients are ready. Start cooking the yam with a generous quantity of water. Pour some vegetable oil in a frying pan. That's me checking if the oil is hot enough. When hot, add some of the onions. The shrimps, and salt, and fry the shrimps for about 7 minutes. Set the shrimps aside, add the remaining onions and fry for about 3 minutes. Add the pepper and fry for 5 minutes. Add the stock cubes, some salt, stir and add the sliced vegetables and stir very well. I'm adding black pepper because it needs more pepper. Add the fried shrimps, stir and serve with the yam. Yum, yummy sauce.